by Zarina Nicole Ong. Former Senator Ramon Bong Revilla Jr. has filed a motion for reconsideration, MR, before the Sandiganbayan 1st Division, hoping to convince the court to allow him to file leave to file demurrer to evidence in open court. Former Sen Bong Revilla at the Sandiganbayan in Quezon City, Federico Cruz / Manila Bulletin file photo. Filing a demurrer to evidence is an act contesting that the evidence offered in the case is insufficient. Revilla stated in his motion for leave that the prosecution was unable to prove that he managed to attain ill-gotten wealth through a combination or series of overt criminal acts, so he is hoping to overthrow the prosecution's evidences. Unfortunately for him, the court denied his motion last week because they believe there is a need for the accused to present evidence. In his MR, Revilla said the court's ruling requires him to prove his innocence and reverse the immutable right of an accused to be presumed innocent. On the basis of the above qualification in the ruling of the court, at this point in time, the court could not as yet have determined the sufficiency of the evidence submitted by the prosecution to overcome the presumption of innocence of the accused, he said. If the court denies Revilla's motion for the second time around, he is still free to file his demurrer to evidence. However, filing a demurrer means Revilla is waiving his right to present evidence. His lawyer, Estelito Mendoza, earlier said after the hearing that they are going to think carefully on their next move because there is risk involved in filing demurrer to evidence. Revilla is facing 1 plunder charge and 16 counts of graft because of the misuse of his Priority Development Assistance Fund, PDAF, which he reportedly endorsed to the bogus non-governmental organizations, NGOs, owned by Napoles in exchange for kickbacks. He is currently detained at the Philippine National Police Custodial Center in Camp Crame, Quezon City. Tags: demurrer, Manila Bulletin, motion for reconsideration, presumption of innocence, Ramon Bong Revilla Jr., Revilla appeals Sandiganbayan's decision to junk his motion, Sandiganbayan 1st Division.